Hi, welcome to Little Learners Club.
It's for beginners. Let's have fun learning.
Yeah, join the club today.
Hello, little learners. Today we will see who is growing in the garden. Are you ready? Let's look.
Are you growing? Are you growing? Little carrot, under the soil sleeping, under the soil sleeping. Wake up now, crunchy wow. Are you blooming? Are you blooming? Pretty flower, pretty flower. Open up your petals, open up your petals. Smell so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. So sweet, yeah. Are you ripening? Are you ripening? Red apple, hanging on the tree branch, hanging on the tree branch.